Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and PC so the transfer is reliable. Enable developer options and switch on USB debugging. This lets the PC communicate with system-level update files. Install your phone maker's USB drivers plus the official update tool or ADB/fastboot on the PC. Once done, use a high-quality USB cable and connect the device. Accept the PC's RSA key prompt on the phone so files and commands can flow securely. Now you're ready to check for the update package. Next, obtain the correct OTA package or full firmware that exactly matches your phone model and current build to avoid mismatches. On the PC, open the official update utility or use a DB sideload with the update. Zip. Type the command and press enter to stream the package to recovery. The phone will verify signatures and unpack files. This can take several minutes. Make sure the battery is above 50% and do not disconnect the USB cable. To finish, reboot the phone to the system and allow Android to optimize apps. This step completes the upgrade and can take several minutes. If the device fails to boot or gets stuck in a boot loop, boot into recovery mode, clear the cache partition, and attempt a reflash of the stock image using the PC tool. If the PC doesn't detect the phone, make sure drivers are reinstalled. Try another USB cable or port, and verify USB debugging authorization on the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.